Hey, Billy here. So I've got the Mindtom Christmas tree lights. These lights are actually 25 feet long, and they do come with 2 extra lights. Let me show you here, just in case you ever have any that burn out. And then you have 2 little fuses, and I'll show you where those are located here in just a minute. Now the lights here, you can see here that, of course, this is going to go into your plug. And you can actually string additional lights by plugging them in here. You can string up to 5 additional sets. Now these are the clear lights. Of course, Mindtom makes many different colors. I'm kind of like old fashioned. I like just the clear. I think they just look really nice. And you can see here, they just come in 2 separate bundles here. So you just undo each one and you can place them on your Christmas tree, or of course you could place them, especially for any little events. They make really good accents on, say, a wedding or birthday, just so many places. Of course, I like to push them out on bushes too. And this is actually where the fuses are located. It's right here. There's actually a little notch here, and you could just pull it down with your fingertip right there and keep pulling. And then you pull that out, and that's where the fuses are located. Just in case one day they don't come on and you're not sure what's wrong, always check there for your fuses. And then you just push that back in, you're ready to go. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and kind of spread them out, turn them on, and kind of show you what they look like and some different places that I would use them in.